Hey, in front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this POCO device. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down. Then you need to click on Privacy Protection over here. Now select All Permissions and click on one of your device's options that you wish to control. I will go with Calendar. Now click on one of your apps, like Booking.com, and select one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Allow, so now when I go back, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to this device's calendar all the time. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to control maps, so I will go with Location, look for Maps app, and click on it. Then select See All Maps Permissions instead at the bottom, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!